According to statistics, there are currently 10,000 to 20,000 Nigerian sex workers in Italy. The early 1980s, Nigeria, Africa and France have a lot of immigrants came to work in Italy. At first, they just do farming activities and some tomato farmland. However, when the farm closed, in order to survive they have to start making money in other ways, such as transport drugs or to provide sexual services. But income sex workers are still minimal, sometimes only €10 only. Many sex workers from Nigeria have chosen to work in the forest. They will place a mattress in the forest, and to provide sexual services on it. In this corner of Italy, developed European countries, they use their own way to seek a way out. Photographer Paolo Patrizi, they use their own cameras, recording several Nigerian sex workers in the forest.